Preparing your air conditioner for the summer should be an important part of your spring checklist. Proper maintenance will make sure your air conditioner works at peak efficiency. It will also help you avoid costly breakdowns and extend the life of your air conditioner. Here are 3 things you can do to get your AC ready for summer. First, replace your furnace filter. Why? Your AC uses the same filter as your furnace. A dirty filter will make your AC and your furnace work harder, which means they'll be less efficient. Not to mention a clean filter means cleaner air in your home. Second, and this is one a lot of people forget, change your thermostat setting to cool. This is also a good time to reprogram your programmable thermostat to adjust temperature settings and cooling times to your schedule. If you don't have a programmable thermostat, you might want to look into one. It will save energy by turning on your AC only when you need it. Finally, be sure to get your air conditioner checked regularly by a trained professional. He'll make sure the refrigerant is at the right level and the electrical and mechanical components are operating safely and at peak efficiency. If you'd like us to help you get your AC ready for summer, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.